In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front outside door handles on this Buick Encore. These are going to be located in the front doors. Let's get into it. Down here next to the switches, there's a little cover. I'm just going to use a pick. Just get underneath there. Just pry that cover out. You could use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pick that up. And that'll stay like that. You can access the bolt. Using a 7mm socket, take this bolt out. Pull that out. We're going to take this cover off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here, pocket screwdriver. Just pop this up a little bit. It's just clipped in. Using a 7mm socket, take this bolt out. There it is. Now just go around the perimeter of the door panel using a trim tool. Just pop the clips out. And pull it out and upwards. Disconnect the cable. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver just to pop that clip up. Slide that over. Pull the ball out. I'm going to disconnect the connectors. Just pull up on the little lock tab. Sometimes they pop out completely. Then push down on the tab. Got another connector here. Just push down on the tab on the side. And one more connector. And just push down on the tab and disconnect it. Just pull back on the vapor barrier. I'm just going to use a utility knife and you just cut some of this butyl tape. If you need to add more when you put it back together, you can just add some more. If it's not sticking properly, just peel back on that. You can pull the cable through and we'll just leave that like that. You can see this connector right here. That's what we need to disconnect. There's a tab on the top of this connector. Just push down on that tab and you can disconnect that just like that. Take this cover off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get under here. There's a tab. Then on top there's another release tab. Just want to push down on that. And you pop that off. Now grab the door handle and you want to hold that in the open position. And taking a T15 socket, we're going to loosen this screw. We're not going to take it out completely, you just need to loosen it. You should be able to loosen it to a point where you can let go of the handle and it's just going to stay there. And grab this cover. Might have to go a little more. And pull the lock cylinder out with the cover. Now we can grab the handle, slide it towards the outside of the door, and it comes right out. Take the new handle, slide the connector in, and slip the handle in place. And then just push it towards the inside of the car. Slide this in a little bit more. Make sure the gasket stays. Get that in that location, just like that. Now switch over the cover. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here, just pop this cover off. There you go, pop that off. And just take the new one, slide this on. Lock it down in place. Now take the lock cylinder and cover, And slide this back in. It's all the way down. And just tighten down the screw. I'm just going to hold the door handle out while I do that. Just snug that down, and you can release the handle. I'm going to take the cover, pop that on. And I take the connector, line that up, lock it down. And I take the cable, we're going to go through the cover, vapor barrier. Just get that lined up and push that in place. If it's not sticking, just get some more butyl tape and tape it down. Now connect the connectors for the switch. Those lined up, and if take that little lock tab, reinsert that if that popped out, and the cable, line the cable up, pull that out, lock that in place. We take the door panel, go over the lock rod, make sure it goes through the hole, and just have this top part close to the window. You want to go down, check the pins, see if the pins line up, and just tap it in place. Now take the screw, snug that down, take the cover, line that up, lock it down. And this screw, get that lined up, snug it down, and put the cover over, lock that down. Now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.